I look like a snack.
I need $1 million. Baby, why, oh why? You ain't no undercover, my girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Eunice. Welcome if you're new. Hi, thank you for clicking on the video, and if you're a returning subscriber or a supporter, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be on this hairstyle and on this makeup look, so I really hope you guys enjoy this. You guys have been wanting like a foundation routine, how I get my base, everything, so I've just filmed that for you today, and I really hope you guys do enjoy it. Let me know what you think down below, and also comment any suggestions that you guys have for me to film, and I will get that out there for you. Thank you so much for the support on my last previous post. It really does mean a lot to me. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with the video now, and I'm gonna let you guys get on with it too. I hope you enjoy it once again, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Hi, getting cute to go nowhere, because what? Coronavirus, it's real. Shit is getting real. Because this is gonna fall on my face, I'm gonna put it away for now and then do my face, my makeup, just so it doesn't interrupt me when I'm, you know, putting the bead on. The first thing I like to do is prep my brows. I don't really do much with my brows. I spray Got to Be on like my spoolie, and then I brush through my brows. I allow them to dry whilst I do other things to my face. I like my brows a bit like, not bushy but not really tamed. I don't like perfect neat brows because it doesn't look natural to me. I do have curly brows, but the Got to Be helps straighten them out, so I don't have to add too much product to it. So what I normally, on my day-to-day, after I do this, I just conceal around it and then I'm done, I'm good to go. And I can already feel my brows like getting stiff, which means it's not moving. to go anywhere, just like we're not allowed to leave our house. The foundation that I'm going to use is affordable. You guys know that I'm really here for the affordable stuff. I only have one high-end foundation, and it's from Estee Lauder, and I hardly use that. I use it for special occasions, which I'm doing this because I stick to what I know, which is my drugstore makeup. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the MUA Wear Matte Finish foundation. This, I'm almost out. Like this, and when I'm applying my foundation, oh, I forgot to mention that I already sprayed my face with this elf dewy mist before applying my foundation. So yeah, so I like to apply my foundation to the areas that I actually need them, so like my dark marks or my hyperpigmentation areas. And this one has like a red undertone, so it's great for correcting as well. I just like to apply it to the areas that I actually need it the most, and then when I blend it out, I blend the excess on the rest of my face. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And I'd like to tap it in the area that I want the coverage more. Don't blend it like under my eye because you don't really need it there. I don't really need it there. I like my makeup to look as, I know it's like an oxymoron, but like I like it to look as natural as possible. I still don't mind a few of my imperfections to show through, but then again, like I believe in, like, I use a lot of products, but I use little bits of a lot of product, and then altogether it comes to like a full face, like a full beat. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I like to think of it. It's like a little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Comment below if you get it. I'm gonna go in with the 16-hour camo concealer from elf, and I'm in the shade, well, I got the shade Deep Chestnut. With the same foundation but in the different shade. So the first one I used on my face was 188. This one is 185. I just like to go around the concealer that I added, just to help the concealer blend a bit better into the foundation. I know I just like let the stuff sit for a bit, but there's a method to the madness, I promise you. Don't forget to like blend around your nose, because if you leave that unblended, that's the ghetto. Fenty Beauty Match Stix in espresso. I'm like I'm of this, so I'm gonna use it sparingly. This is actually a mixture of these two setting powders. So I've got the Makeup Revolution baking powder, I've got one in beige, I've got this one in beige, and then I've got the deep what is this? Deep banana deep. This is like a lot on my face, and this is also kind of like not enough, so I've mixed these two together and I've put it in this like old MAC pot after I mixed it together. So it's like the perfect for me. I'm gonna tapping a little bit. Like, I used it once and it's very pigmented, so just be careful. Just gonna let it stay in the back. I'm not gonna bring it too far forward. And I'm just gonna dab, like I'm using it almost kind of like a blush, but I'm still taking it back, but like upwards. So I'm gonna set my face with this, and then I'm probably gonna put some lashes on, and then I'll come back, because the lashes I'm gonna use are these ones from AliExpress. I will try and find the link and I'll leave it down below. So I'm gonna put that on and I'll come back, and then I'll finish off the hair and my lips and everything else, and we can be ready to go to Instagram. Do you know what I mean? I'll see you guys in a hot second. Wow. I'm gonna use this intense color lip liner from MUA in the shade Obsession, and I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use the shade Peach Bellini just in the center of my lips. This is the Kiko Lip Plumping Gloss. Okay, it's finished off the hair. Yes, okay, so this is the finished look. I am trying as much as I can to be consistent, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.